Hello everyone. I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn that how you can add your new Facebook leads to your MailerCloud contact list automatically. So let's take an example that you are a business owner and you have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you are running Facebook lead ads on that page. So whenever someone clicks on those ads, a Facebook lead ad form will get open. So now you want that whenever that Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically the details of the lead should be added as a new contact in your MailerCloud contact list. For that, we need to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and MailerCloud. So how we are going to do the integration, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my Facebook page name Antiques Collection. And this is the Facebook lead ad form where I have asked for the full name, phone number and email address of the lead or the customer. And this is my MailerCloud contact list. So now I want that whenever this particular Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically the details of the customer should be added as a new contact to my MailerCloud contact list over here. Okay, so let us fill the details of the customer. So I am just going to give the full name as Adam Smith. Let's give the phone number over here. And let's add the email address as adamsmith786@gmail.com. And let's click on next and submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. So the form has been filled. Now let us check our MailerCloud contact list. I'm just going to refresh it. Let's go to the contacts. Okay, and here we can see that Adam Smith is added as a new contact over here. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled the Facebook lead ad form over here and automatically the customer details are added to my MailerCloud contact list over here. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and MailerCloud, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook lead ads with MailerCloud automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details from the Facebook lead ad form. And then using all those details, automatically a new contact will be created in your MailerCloud contact list. And in this way, we will be learning that how we can create an integration between Facebook lead ads and MailerCloud using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add Facebook leads to MailerCloud contact list. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want the customer details to be captured from Facebook lead ads. So open this trigger window. Here in the choose application, let us find Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Click on connect. Click on add new connection and click on connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. And now the Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect just because I was already logged into my Facebook account. So make sure before creating a connection, you are logged into your Facebook account. Now here we have to select the Facebook page name. So I'll just take you to my Facebook page. So the Facebook page name is Antiques Collection. So we have to select the same page over here in Pabbly Connect. That is Antiques Collection. And here we have to select the lead ad form. So on this particular page, that is Antiques Collection, I have used this particular form to capture the leads, that is Antiques Collection 1. Okay, so here you have to select your lead ad form. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first let us create a new lead on the name of some customer, just because after clicking on this option, it is going to capture the latest response. So I'm just going to the Facebook lead ad form. So this is my Facebook lead ad form, Antiques Collection form, which I use for collecting the leads. So let us fill the form details over here. I'm just going to give the first name as Shikha Arya. Okay, the full name. Let's add the phone number over here. And let's add the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com. And let's click on next and submit. Okay, thanks, you're all set. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the response is received and all the details related to the lead or the customer is captured over here. Here we can find the full name, Shikha Arya, phone number and the email address. Now here I want to give you an important information that here you can see that the data has captured immediately. But sometimes it may take some time in fetching the data as the trigger here is polling based. So if your data doesn't get captured immediately, don't worry about that. Please wait for 15-20 minutes patiently. The data will surely arrive. Okay. Now here we can see that the full name of the customer or the lead is given over here. But for entering the data into the Mailer Cloud, we need the first name and the last name separately. Okay. So we are going to just split this particular name into the first name and the last name. For that, come to this action window. And here in the choose application, let us select text formatter. In the action event, we have to select split text. Click on connect. Now here we have to map the text that needs to be splitted. So we want the name to get splitted. So let us map the name over here. Okay. Now here we have to give the separator. Enter the character. Special characters are allowed or the word separator to split the text on. For space as a separator, use space. So we are going to use space as a separator. So I'm just going to copy it and I'll paste the same over here. Okay. So we are using space as a separator and the segment index as all over here. Okay. And now let's click on save and send test request. Okay, and here we can see the result. Shikha and Arya, we have got it separately, the first name and the last name. So now we want to enter all these customer details into the Mailer Cloud contact list. For that, come to this plus sign and click on add action step. Now here in the application, we are going to search Mailer Cloud. In the action event, we have to select add contact to list. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key. So you can find the API key under your Mailer Cloud account. Navigate to accounts, then integrations and click on API integrations. So I'm just going to click on this API integrations over here. Okay, and here we can find the API key. So we are going to simply copy this API key from here. We will go back to Pabbly Connect and we will paste the same API key over here. And let's click on save. Okay, and here we can see that the Mailer Cloud account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the list. So I'll just take you to my Mailer Cloud account. So this is the dashboard of my Mailer Cloud account. Here we have to come to the audience option and here we can find the list. Click on lists. And here we can see that I have created several lists over here. So if you want to create a new list by clicking on this create new list option, you can create a new list. Or else I have just created a list named Facebook leads, FB leads. So I'm just going to use this particular list. Here we have to move to the contacts section. And here you can see that I have added just 3 contacts over here. So I want all the Facebook leads to be saved in this particular group named Facebook leads. So let us select this particular list over here, that is Facebook leads. Okay. Now here we have to give the email address and other details of the customer or the lead. So we have already got the lead details from the Facebook lead ads over here. So we are going to map all these details now. Okay. So I'll just scroll down. Here we have to map the email address. So let us find the email address from Facebook lead ads. And this was the email address. Okay. Here we have to select the contact type. So I am just giving the contact type as active over here. Here we have to map the first name. So we have got the first name from the text formatter because we have splitted the name. The first name is Shikha. And here we have to give the last name. So the last name we have also got from text formatter, that is Arya. Here we have to map the phone number from Facebook lead ads. And this was the phone number. Okay. So if you have all other details, you can map it over here. Okay. Or else we are just going to the save and send test request option and just click on it. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. So now let us check our MailerCloud contact list. I'm just going to refresh it. Let's go to the contacts section. And here we can find that Shikha Arya is added as a new contact over here in this particular list. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay, now we have to check this in the real time. For that, we are just going to fill up the Facebook lead ad form once again on the name of some other lead. So let's go to the Facebook lead ad form. Okay, and let us fill the details over here. This time I'm just going to give the name as Avinash Gupta. Let's add the phone number over here. And the email address as avigupta234@gmail.com. Okay, and let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, so the form has been filled. Now let us check the MailerCloud contact list. We are just going to refresh it. Let's move to the contacts section. And here we can see that even after refreshing, we can't find our contact over here just because I have already informed you that the trigger here is polling based and it will take time to capture the response. So let's wait for some time. Now it's almost 5 minutes. Let us refresh it once again. Let's go to the contacts. And here we can find that Avinash Gupta is added over here as a new contact in the Facebook Leads MailerCloud contact list. So in this way, we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'm just going to minimize all these windows and let us see in our nutshell whatever we have done till now. So I'm just going to minimize this trigger window also. So first we have created an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the new lead. Then we have used text formatter just to split the name into the first name and the last name. Because from the Facebook lead ads, we have got the full name altogether. And by using all the details of the lead, automatically a new contact is created into your MailerCloud contact list. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and MailerCloud using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.